What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. You know, with all the bad weather we get, you want to make sure that your inside of the car is protected. Whatever you drag from under your shoe inside the car, you should have a good set of all-weather mats. And especially for me, you know, I waited a long time to be able to buy this Tesla, and I want to make sure that I don't drag all that mud or whatever, the dirt and whatever in there, because the carpet mats are just gonna get ruined. So our friends over at LASFIT have sent us a couple of boxes, and they've got some cargo mat and the inside for the passenger and the driver mats and the rear seat mats in there. So let's go ahead and unbox this and have a quick look. Cue the intro. All right, guys, so this is what the set looks like. On the website, you can choose the front and the rear mats, and then you can choose the one for the trunk. So this is if you look at it, this is what the mat looks like. This is for the front passenger or driver, and it's got some really tall edges there to contain all the any kind of water or liquid or any kind of dirt or mud that you get in the car. That's for the rear. Now these are made of TPE material, and let's go ahead and fit them in the car and see how it looks. All right, guys, we got the mats in the car, so just keep in mind, in case, you know, because the mats, some of them come rolled up, so you have to kind of put them the other way around just to get them straightened out, and they might take a day or so or a few hours to get settled in. But these mats are 3D cut, and they're properly measured, and let me show you what they look like inside the car. All right, so that is the driver's seat right there, and this is the driver footwell, and as you can see, they cover edge to edge, and look how tall you know, I mean, I can just put, it is easily pretty tall. I mean, like pretty much all my, you know, the whole length of my fingers go down there. So the edges are pretty tall. And just to show you that, you know, if you get in with just, you know, any kind of water in there, they've got channels in there, the edges are so tall that they'll stay in there, inside the mat. And because of the mat curving upwards there, the water or any kind of liquid or any kind of liquid material that you bring in underneath your shoe, or when it's raining or water comes in, will just come down to the center, and that should be easy to clean up. All right, these mats aren't very difficult to clean up. You can take the mat out and get the water out that way, or, you know, what I'm doing is just get a rag, a microfiber cloth, or whatever towel you have, and just suck the water right up. Let the cloth do all the cleaning. And yeah, these kind of mats are basically not very difficult to clean. If you get these mats muddy or dirty, what you can do is just get them out, rinse them, dry them out, and put them back in. So that's the benefit of having all-weather mats. And I think the LASFIT mats fit pretty well. So let's go ahead and look at all the other mats real quick. All right, guys, so here's the rear footwell. As you can see, it's one big piece, and it fits in quite well. Also has the same kind of lip. You have to give it a day or two, maybe a few hours for it all to settle down, but they are perfectly cut edge to edge. And actually, in case you notice, there's some mats that have like a little raised edge over here for some reason, and then you have some dirt that go on the back end of it. But over here you have the raised edge. I don't know if you can see this, but you have the raised edge all the way up at the end over there, so it will trap any kind of dirt or liquids from going further. So that's the look at the rear footwell. It covers it pretty well. It goes underneath the AC vents as well, all the way up there. And let's go ahead and look at the trunk. And here's the trunk mat right there. Fits really nice. Of course, you know, I just took it out of the box, so it was rolled up and it just needs to get back into shape. But if you look at it, it is cut edge to edge perfectly. It fits in there. Again, the raised edges on the side. You have the channels in case you have any liquid or water that goes in there. And the main thing is that to get into the lower cargo, it's very easy. Lifts up quite easy. It's flexible enough where, you know, some of the cargo mats I've seen are very tough and you can't open up the you know, get into the rear cargo easily. But this one is quite easy. So the best part is that there's no smell, you know, because I hate it when you buy products like this and they have that chemical odor in there and it stays there for a couple of days or longer or less. And right out of the box, there was no odor. So that's a huge plus in my book. And they have given me a promotion code that I can pass on to you. They offer a 45-day money-back guarantee. If you buy this product, register it on their website, which is LASFIT.com, LASFIT.com. I'll throw the link in the description below. And you register the product, you can double the money-back guarantee time to 90 days. Best part is they offer lifetime warranty on their products. So, you know, anybody who offers a lifetime warranty on their products believe in their products, which, you know, tells you something that they believe in their products, offering you a lifetime warranty. There's nothing to lose there. So they're very competitively priced. They go for about $179.99, I believe, on their website by the time of filming this. If you use my promotion code RAN, it's RAN for right about now, RAN, you can save 15%. So that will be from 179 bucks or 99 cents, it's minus $27. So 179 minus 27, you know, you're gonna get it for 179 minus 27, so 152. So that's pretty cheap for all, you know, four items: front two mats, the rear one big piece, and then the cargo mat. So have a look at that. Have a look at their website. And they don't just make it for the Tesla; they make it for a bunch of different cars. So use that promo code RAN to save 15%. I like the mats. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. Please hit subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you next time.